Unlocking the secret: how to find practical tips in flashy marble repair videos. Hey folks, DIY enthusiasts, ever watched a repair video that dazzled you with flashy moves but left you clueless about the actual process? Today, we're diving into a marble staircase repair, uncovering those hidden gems of wisdom the pros often skip over. Ready to master the art of marble repair? Let's go! Step 1. Gluing the fragments. First, grab those marble pieces and a specialized stone adhesive. Piece them together like a puzzle and use a notch machine to roughen up the seams. Now, mix some marble glue with hardener in a 30:1 ratio and fill in those seams. Pro tip: here's the scoop. Marble steps need to bear weight, so reinforce them with steel rods. And don't just grab any glue, consider the environment's humidity and load-bearing needs when choosing your materials. Step 2. Sanding. Once the filler dries, it's time to sand. Start with coarse 240 grit, then move to 400 grit, and finish with fine 800 grit sandpaper. Pro tip: sanding might not be the most thrilling part, that's why it's often glossed over in videos. But it's crucial. Skip this, and you'll end up with lumpy repairs that wear down quickly. Step 3. Wax removal. Marble and tiles usually come with a wax coating. Before you add any color, you got to strip it off. Spray a wax remover, scrub it with a dry cloth, and repeat this 3 times. Pro tip: this step is often mysteriously absent in tutorials, but it's a make or break detail. Skipping it means your colors and glaze won't adhere properly, turning your masterpiece into a mess. Step 4. Painting the texture. Now, for the artistic bit, painting. This part gets all the screen time because it's mesmerizing. If you've got a knack for painting, you'll nail this. Just blend the colors and textures seamlessly. Pro tip: when choosing paint, go for ones that stick well and don't fade. Trust me, you don't want your hard work to vanish after a few months. Step 5. Glazing and De-fogging. To lock in those beautiful colors, spray on a layer of glaze. But beware, glaze can leave a foggy edge. Pro tip: if you can find glaze with De-fogger mixed in, no worries. Just spray a De-fogger around the edges afterward to blend it all together. Bonus tips: ever wondered why some tutorials are so vague? It's not just to keep you in suspense. Professionals like to keep their trade secrets. Well, secret. Final result. Got questions or need more tips? Drop a comment below. Your likes and subscriptions are the fuel for more awesome DIY adventures. Remember, marble repair isn't rocket science, but it does need a bit of finesse. Happy fixing, and see you in the next video.